Here we are at the Spring Hills Place at Marriott in West Warwick, Rhode Island. We're going to be taking a room tour of room 220. So let's see, which side do I stick this in? Oh, let's touch this one. This is, actually not sure, it's 2 king, I believe, though. Go on in, lock the door, so no evil people can get in. Here's your evacuation plan. Nice lamp, just got in here. This is the town outside of Providence. We had some crazy cab drivers today. Here's some nice tables, a nice couch setting area. Here's a CV1 coffee maker. Here's your complimentary coffee, glasses, ice bucket, kitchen sink. Here's a Alsocolo, I have no clue how to say that, for refrigerator. Here is a microwave. I does not say what type though, sadly. Just got some storage down here with some plates, it appears, and yep, just some plumbing and storage. Here's your workstation with some power ports, always nice. The address is 14 James P. Murphy Industrial Highway, West Warwick, Rhode Island. Telephone, as I said. Here's an LG flat screen TV. Kind of poorly hung. Here's a king size bed. Here's a light. Here's an alarm clock. Another phone. Another lamp. That was a light switch, by the way. Here's some books and nice storage of a nightstand. Another king size bed. Here's your closet set up here. Ironing board. Does not say what type of air conditioner. Here's your view. Not the best view, but it's okay. It's staying on the second floor of the 4-star hotel. LG flat screen TV, as I said. Some drawer storage here. I gotta hurry because my family's outside with all the luggage waiting. And here we have our vanity. Typical Marriott properties. Hair dryer. Tissues. Here's our bathroom towel area. Some towels, some TP, more towels. Here's a shower. A Briggs. That'll do. Well,